Container 35. Every year we have issues during summer because the crew don't arrive for the vessels, and they contact us, many European owners mainly arriving ship in Tarragona or in Algeciras, and well, we do need this or that specific rank. Well, the point is, if we are all having European flags, if we are all trading around Spain, why? Because Spain is going to be, and it is, 50% of world commerce, tiki-taka, meeting point. Well, okay, do I need to repeat that? No, thank you. Then, we do have a fleet of container ships around Spain. How big are them? But the question is, are we going to change the policy that we had with Asians? Can we really amend that policy and think about Latino? Could we think about also the flag changes? Because European flags really have not adapted to the new times that Venezuelans or Cubans or, European trade, European container companies need to have a different policy. Some have America. Yes, we do have Honduras, Panama, Peru, but you need to change the flag there. You need to put Panama, Bahama, Bermuda, Marshall, Liberia, those kind of flags that allow all the European countries. There's very good cooks in Colombia, and there's very good crew everywhere around America, but indeed you need a specific crew management company like Candina to do all that. Apart in Europe, it's very specific trade, but also, we can tailor and cut all the transport and the emissions of the planes, bringing Asians to Europe. And also, we do have office in Indonesia to supply crews. Why? Because the wage scales of Indonesia, gross equals net wages, ESG, economic freedom, is very important for you, at least for me, so we can really have net and gross equals 0. Thank you very much indeed for your time. I look forward to have these solutions this year. And please, if you are going to have an emergency, why don't you call us now before the emergency so we can plan these 25 container ships? Because if you are going to have trade with Algeria, we do have Algerian crews, or Tunis, or Morocco. Some allow them officers, some endorse them, some ratings. But Egypt also has a huge pool of very good, excellent crew, and these ships are going to trade around here. Think about this 50% of world trade around Spain, because it will continue perpetually, so it's the right time to invest in your good company and your talent, and of course, your costs. When others have issues during this summer, you will not contact us. Thank you. Bye.